Okay, here's one way to do an elite chopper company. There's all kinds of tunes in here. We're just going to kill a few of them. I like to use controllers. They are highly efficient. There's a little bit of stuff, everywhere. Just take your time and get rid of them. You're going to get a little bit of damage. Like when you get to this guy, not much you can do, so just take a little bit of damage and then kill him. As long as you're quick about it. The beauty of controllers is they start getting more and more range as you let them grow. Oh, okay, there's one I didn't pay attention to. If you pay attention, you don't get ambushed. But I don't let my controllers get very damaged, so the sooner that you can take them out of the field, then you have instant repair. So you just have to look around and see where these things here you can't kill. So just kill what you can. I use 3 controllers at a time. They can do a lot of damage, and they don't take a lot of damage, especially when they get their range up. These guys won't shoot your controllers, so shoot the things that will shoot your controllers. And don't be afraid to stop the attack. Because your controllers take a few seconds to warm up again. All right, there you go. Turn around. Get him to stop attacking. We don't need to kill these guys now, but we will eventually, so just get rid of them so that you don't forget when you bring your air in. This is going to be a challenge here because these guys all want to come at once. But if he'll stop when he stops. Okay, he's not stopping. Let's get out of here. Just end the attack because he's going to shoot you. You can do this faster. You can bring in other stuff to fight, but I'm just messing around. And what do we got now? Let's get rid of these guys. Got him. Okay, he will kill you. But just retreat him. Bring him back in. Shoot him. You just have to look around to see what can do you damage. He'll do you a little bit of damage. But we got to get rid of these excavators. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Now we kill these tanks because we have better range than they do, and they can't shoot us anymore. There. A little bit of damage, so we'll take them out of there. Let's go over here. Get rid of this guy, then this guy. Just whatever one you think is closest. Got to watch out for this guy. He'll sneak up on you sometimes. All right, that's good. Take out this guy. Just whoever you think is closest. Okay, here he comes. He goes a lot faster than we do, so I stop the attack because he will kill your controllers. What do we got here? So, oh, what are you doing? You didn't want to do that. I want to bring controllers in. We can bring our Nick in. I mean, you can do it faster. You can bring in tunes. Just when you're attacking something, watch the other stuff that they don't attack you. Okay, how far are you guys going to go? That wasn't the right order to do it in. I'll just tell you right now. Take out the chopper first. All right, well, we got them both. But if they all start attacking you at once, just get out. All right, what do we got going here? Here, let's get rid of these two. Well, he's going to be a problem. If we time it right, catch him when he's coming. Right here, let's try this. Nope, we missed it. There we go. Catch him when he's coming. Got him. Just a timing thing. If nobody moves, you can sit right there and kill the next one. Nobody moves, you kill the next one. Kill the closest thing to you. Just stay away from the rail. All right, let's retreat those guys. I have a bunch of controllers, so I just use 3 at a time. A couple of tunes I have 4, but just slowly clean out the base. You can do it faster. I'm probably going to run out of time. I have to make a second vid to finish this base. But it gives you some idea of what needs to be done. Going to take a little damage here, but you got to take him out, so you do it. If you take damage, get out. Okay, retreat him. They've had enough. Send in some more. All right. These guys we'll deal with later. All right. Well, what we need to do now is send in the air. Clean a little bit of this stuff out. How much time we got? We're running out of time, but just let your air do a little bit. Come on, get in there. Attack. I gotta be careful because he'll shoot me. Start fighting back. There you go. You get him within range and he'll do some damage for you. Just get him within range and he'll start attacking. Go get him. There you go. There you go. This stuff won't hurt you, basically. Okay, let's get over here and get him. So we're just out of range, so you just got to get a little closer. Get within range, he'll take him out for you. Just out of range, get a little closer. His base is about done. Take him out.